Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. So I'm starting off with this condensed milk can that I used already. So I'm just going to open up the entire can just so I have access to the inside of it. And when I'm finished stirring the top off, just make sure that you save that top piece because it's going to come in handy towards the end of the video, and I'll show you just how. So I then went ahead and I washed the can out with some soap and water and scrubbed it very well so I can get all of the excess milk out. I then peeled the wrapper off of the can. It wasn't hard to do because it was already wet, so it was very easy for me to peel it off, as you can see. I then taped off the top of the can and the bottom of the can just to make sure that when I do paint it that those parts are sectioned out. The paint that I'm using to paint is the black chalk paint. If you guys watch my previous video, you know this paint, I use it in all of my DIYs. So it's not anything new. It's my regular black chalk paint. And on the side there, you see that little blue thing. That is actually a old toothbrush holder that I had, the top of it, that I never used, that I bought. This is just an access that I had lying around, and I decided to also paint it black. This is a flower foam. I'm going to just place the can on top of it just so I can trace it out and see where it sits. And then I'm going to be cutting that out with my razor blade. So when you're cutting it out, don't kill yourself too much. Don't worry too much about getting it precise. I really just traced out the drawing or the where I marked on it, and then I poked out as much as I could, not trying to get it like perfectly smooth, just get it as smooth as you can, just to make sure that the can sit in it, or when you put the can on top of it, that it actually fits. Now here comes the bottom of the can, and I'm basically just going to hot glue it to the bottom of this flower foam because it's going to work as the base. And then I'm just going to paint everything black with that black chalk. Now that everything is dry, I'm just going to be removing my painter's tape from the top of the can and also from the bottom of the can. And then I placed the can on top of the flower foam so it fit where I cut out. Now I didn't show this part, but I did use hot glue to glue the can onto the flower foam so it doesn't move. And then you guys know me, I'm a flower girl, so I just poked my flowers in there. And now I'm hot gluing the top of the can to that toothbrush holder that I painted all black. So did you figure out what I'm making? If you did, leave a comment down in the comment section below. If not, then let me just let you know what I'm making. So the inspiration came from a candle that I wanted to light that I got from the dollar store, but I did not have a candle holder. And I know with all this quarantine, we're not supposed to be going out, so I decided to use what I already had in my home and make this candle holder. You guys, let me know what you think of this project. Did you like it? What do you think of it? And make sure that you please hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel, and check out my previous videos if you haven't already done so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.